Good evening students. Welcome to class 7th maths. Today I am going to teach you the topic called algebraic expressions and operations on them. Look at these examples. 4x plus 1, 4a, 3x plus 10y, 5 in bracket m plus n are algebraic expressions. So now the algebraic expressions can be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now this is the first example, that is 4x plus 1 comma 4a comma 3x plus 10y comma 5 in bracket m plus n. Now the variables are x, a, y, m, n. These are the variables in these expressions. Look here, 4x plus 1, x and 4a, 3x plus 10y, 5 in bracket m plus n. You have the variables x, a, y, m and n. Variables means, in other words, you say alphabets. That is x, a, y, m and n are the variables in these expressions. So now I am going to teach you coefficient and variables in these questions. First one is 11 hell. Coefficient means number and the variable means alphabet. You have to write 11 hell. So you have to write only answer. Now this term which is given here, this is the questions. You have to write only coefficient and variables. Coefficient means you have to write only the number and variables means you have to write only alphabet. So first one is 11 hell, which is the coefficient here 11 and variable is L. Next one, look, minus 6b. Even if you have the negative number also, that is also the coefficient you have to count. Minus 6 is the coefficient and variable which you have b. So variable is b. Next one, 4 upon 8 pq. You have the fraction here which is numerator and denominator. 4 upon 8 is the coefficient. You have the two variables here. If you have the two variables, you have to put comma and write. Which are the variables? P and Q. So you have to write P comma Q. Variables is P, Q. Next, you have only the variable. You don't have the coefficient over here. If you don't have any number, if you don't have any coefficient, you have to consider coefficient as 1. If you don't have any number, only variable is there, that means coefficient is 1 and variable is C. Got it? Next one, types of algebraic expressions. First one is monomials. What is monomials? An expression with one term is called monomials. That is 7D. 7D you have only one term over here. So this is monomial. Binomials. What is binomials? Binomials means an expression with two terms. One term is 4a, second term is 3b. You have two terms over here. So binomials means an expression with two terms. Next, trinomials. Trinomials means an expression with three terms. You have the three terms here. 14l cube plus 13m square minus 11n. This is first term, second term and third term. Three terms are there. So that is trinomials. Next one, last one is polynomials. An expression having more than 3 terms is called polynomials. It may be 5 terms, 6 terms, 7 terms. It should be more than 3 terms. Now here you have 4 terms. So that is also the polynomials. 7y cube plus 5y square minus 3y plus 4. You have 4 terms over here, that is polynomials. An expression having more than 3 terms, it may be 5 terms also. If you have expression with 5 terms, 6 terms, 7 terms, that is also the polynomials. Now we will start practice set. Here you have to solve this. Practice set 32. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. So first one is, you have one term. Single term is monomials. Next one, 5y minus 7z. You have expression with 2 terms. You can see that clearly. 2 terms is there in this expression. First one is 5y is first term, second term is 7z. So an expression with 2 terms is binomials. Next one, third one is 3 terms you have. An expression with 3 terms is trinomials. See, look here, first term, second term and third term. 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11 is trinomials. Next one, fourth one, see. How many terms you have to count that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube is polynomials. An expression having more than 3 terms is polynomials. Next one, fifth one, 5m minus 3. 2 terms are there, so it is binomials. Can write binomial also. For polynomial answer also you can write polynomial only. If you have more than 2-3 sums, you can write plural form. Next, sixth one, you have single term, so a is only one term, so it is monomial. Seventh one also is one term is there, number 4. Fourth is monomial. Next, last one how many terms is there? 3. 3y square minus 7y plus 5. 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3. So it is trinomials. Now next practice set will begin later on. You can see the answer once again.